Ever wish you could quickly see which of your friends are nearby without endlessly scrolling? I will show you how. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged in. Now, tap on the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and it is located at either the top or bottom corner of your screen, depending on your device. Scroll down through the menu options until you find Nearby Friends. It might also be labeled Friends Nearby depending on your app version. Tap on Nearby Friends to open the feature. If you don't see it, your app might be outdated or the feature might not be available in your region. Try updating the app. Facebook will now ask you to turn on your location services if you haven't already. Tap Accept to allow Facebook to access your location. This is necessary for the feature to work. Choose to share your location. Options are typically always or while using the app. Keep in mind that always shares your location even when you are not actively using Facebook, while using the app only shares it when Facebook is open. Select the option that best suits your privacy preferences. Now, you should see a list of your Facebook friends who have also opted into sharing their location. Their approximate distance from you will be displayed, as well as the general area they are in. Remember that this information is only visible to friends who have also enabled this feature. You can always turn off location sharing or customize your settings within the Nearby Friends section if you change your mind. Just go back to the menu and tap on Nearby Friends. That's it. You have successfully found Nearby Friends on Facebook. Go ahead and try it. Be respectful of your friends' privacy and have fun connecting.